Yes, bob. Do you have a bob if you didn't do this? Period. Am I serving looks or am I serving politician? Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I dived right into slapping this wig onto my head because I was so excited. I said, yes girl, you got you a bob sis. And then the bob wanted to act like it hated me. Like, what did I do to this bob? Like, y'all would just see, I was just struggling. This first half, I was just struggling, really trying to make this bob work. But in the end, it did work out. You know, just keep watching and see how I turn this from fail to fabulous.
Boy, if you don't...
So yesterday I just was not feeling the wig at all. It was coming out so ugly, like I don't know. So I added some tracks to the wig in the front. Let me see if I can find one, like just right in the front where the lace is. I added some tracks. I always have hair laying around my house, so I just added what I had onto the wig, and
like probably like three tracks and made it a little bit thicker. So we're gonna do this again. And also I'm gonna put a side part instead of a middle part. Middle part was just not working out, y'all. Just was not working out. I look like Michelle Obama. And also yesterday I did not put any foundation on the cap, and today I did, so hopefully that makes a difference. So I have some makeup right there. I'm gonna wipe it off because you don't want any makeup to get in contact with this. If makeup comes in contact with that, it turns the entire install white. We don't want that. y'all. So I really like this now. Like before, I was looking crazy. I added some tracks, I cut it up a little bit, you know, did a little asymmetrical, uneven type of thing, and I honestly think this suits my face shape so much better. Y'all, like, this is what I get for getting a cheap wig off of Amazon. Like, I saw all these other videos of these girls getting this wig from Amazon, and like, they were just killing it, and I was like, okay, like, I do want to try to bob, but I'm not gonna go super expensive because I've only had a bob like one other time in my life, and I was not the biggest fan of it. So I was like, okay, like, I've been like itching to like try new things, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna try out this bob, get a cheap one and see how it looks. I mean, for the little money I paid for it, like, it definitely did its job. I don't know if after, you know, going through these trials and errors with this wig, these trials and tribulations, I don't know if I will put money in to get like a more expensive one. I think this does it for me. Like, when I take this off, I'll stash this away in my little wig closet. Okay, I don't really have a wig closet, I have like a wig shelf. Y'all, I really like this. Like, I look very sophisticated. Like, ooh, who gonna check me, boo? This is cute. Oh my god, yes, Bob. Serving me Michelle Obama, serving me Taraji, serving me me. I'm gonna have all the information for the wig in the description box. You know, keep in mind the wig is really thin if you order it. So I definitely did add some tracks right up in here. Anyway, yeah, so y'all watch me and my struggles of putting this wig on. Took a lot of cutting, a lot of mousse, a lot of flat ironing, a lot of blow drying, a lot of hot combing. Once again, as always, thank you for tuning in, sis. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload a video, because I don't upload on any type of schedule. So, you know, you don't want to miss when I upload a video. I mean, I let everybody on my Instagram know when I upload anyway. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you head over there as well and hit that follow button. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, y'all, let me know what you think about this bob. Like, am I serving looks? Am I serving looks, or am I serving politician? Am I serving soccer mom? Am I serving let me speak to your manager? What am I serving? Because I like it. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time.